how we have made over 4,345 euros in the last 4 days, or 4,800 US dollars. Okay, so you can see over here with the 68 actions. If I click right, 68 sales basically made this much money. Now, when you're doing it with Google pay-per-click ads, right? Google pay-per-click ads, keywords, long tail and short tail keywords, you have to know exactly buyer's intent and buyer's audience. I'm going to show in this short video today how you can replicate it and start having $200, $500, even $1,000 days. Okay, as a beginner in 2025 and 2026. Now let's go straight into it. So as you can see over here, right, I'm going to show you why we are choosing Google Ads. Okay, the number one reason why is because Google traffic, it's all about buyers clicks, buyers intent. For any sale to happen, you need to have audience in the problem state. Okay, so we do with Google Ads, Google pay-per-click ads, with text, what we do is we put an audience in a problem state and move them into the solution state. Okay, because all the sales and conversions of traffic, of audiences, are happening only in the solution state. Okay, and the best thing about Google Ads, the beauty of this system is that they already want to buy. So audience is already there, people are already there to purchase the products. As you can see over here, let me show you the example. Okay, solution seeking audience. Again, how to get rid of my back pain, how to lose weight. Okay, also manifestation niche, wealth space, financial space, solar panel, whatever, right? Golf, woodworking, baby niche, dental space. So many different products that people are using 24/7 every single day that you can be affiliate for and promote it with, of course, great upsell take rate. Okay, so one person will buy a product for $37 or $50 and then there is going to be $250 upsell or downsell. So that's, my friend, how you make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing or any other affiliate network out there. Okay, now how you can do this with $5 a day. $5 a day entry point Google Ads. Okay, so you can start with $5 a day with one campaign and have most 3 to 5 keywords. Now the beauty of this is that once this $5 a day ad was running for 2 or 3 days, you have enough data to be able to increase or scale the ads, meaning you'll be able to do something like this. Okay, how to get to your first $500 a day with affiliate marketing as a beginner with Google pay-per-click ads is basically having 3 to 5 campaigns and each of them doing at least $100 to $200 a day. All right, so one of the products will do really well and one of the audiences will tend to do really well. Then suddenly you are going to find yourself making $500 days or $100 or $250 per day per each campaign. All right, so you don't need lots of sales. You can have one sale and one person is going to buy entire funnel, meaning they're going to buy the main product, the upsell, second upsell, and downsell. At the end, when you pull the line, if you do the math, it's easy and simple. $500 a day, $350 a day. Okay, so it's controlled and it's sustainable and it's predictable. Certainty, very important. Okay, now you can see over here what most gurus don't tell you is that it's not about talent, it's not about best product, it's about positioning. Okay, when you are in the river where the money is flowing in, okay, you just position yourself in the same way and you will be able to start receiving the flows of money of affiliate commissions. Okay, because the truth be told, people are buying stuff every single day online. Okay, so you can see over here, right, you can have another year with same bills, same stress, and you could keep saying, making excuses, procrastinating and saying, I'll do it next year, I'll do it in January. Okay, you position now, today, and you start receiving results before January, because this is the buying season. Okay, this is the buying season, and especially now in December and also in January is the best time to start, because timing is really important. Okay, so you can start having these kind of results before others. So this is advantage, having an edge in affiliate marketing, right? Having someone to help you one-on-one, step by step. And why this works in New Year? because you have desperate searches on Google. Okay, so many searches for solutions. They have new goals. Okay, new goals and urgent buyers. So I mean immediate buyers. You know, those low ticket, cheaper products tend to do really well from 100 to from $50 $100 to $300, right? So it's really hot market, and most people sadly miss that timing and positioning because they're making excuses, they're procrastinating, because all it takes it's 20 to 30 minutes a day to do this. Okay, not hours, 30 minutes a day. Once you have the campaign running and someone who can help you, like as you can see over here, right? One-on-one, step-by-step over the Zoom call, you get it up and running in 24 hours without making any videos, without showing your face on camera, without waiting, okay? 24 hours, first $5 ads on Google, and then the next 24 hours, second day, you can increase to 10, $20, and in some cases you can spend $25 and get $100 back in same day. Why? Because as I told you before, if you remember, it's all about upsell take rate. One person out of 10 or 8 people is going to buy the whole entire system of products, meaning $50 ebook or system, and then maybe a weight loss product for $97 upsell, or maybe a package of $280, 3 bottles of, I don't know, weight loss product or dental product or supplement, right? This is how it works, right? We do it together, as you can see over here, no matter where you live. As long as you have desire to make it happen and to install this system and to allow it to do the work for you, because once it's up and running, it's actually working effortlessly for you. And why this works is because we have the right psychology of marketing, low emotional states, high emotional states audiences, the right message to the market match in our copywriting, in our ad copy, right? And our pre-sale pages, very important, with quiz funnels. It's all about the right message to the market match, okay? So this is how it works, and now this is how you make it happen, because all it takes is one offer to make it happen, okay? So now you can keep trying along, you can forget about this YouTube video, or if you're a smart person, and I know you are because you're still watching this video, you can choose to follow the proven system with clarity to reach your freedom and have actually side income and start. Even if you have 9 to 5, you can do it on the side if you have at least 30 minutes a day to do this, okay? Once you have it, you can get it up and running and actually start generating results. Now, if you want to know exactly how to put it into action, one-on-one, step-by-step, let me know. There is my Instagram, my WhatsApp number, my email, and also Facebook Messenger below this video.